Appreciate that, appreciate that. So alright guys, let me tell you what I'm doing today. Okay, so the meal of the day is, let me flip the camera. And I have to go in the pot right now also. So alright. Alright guys, so the meal of the day is stew peas, Jamaican stew peas with pigtail and chicken foot. I don't have nothing else to put in it. Some people put salt beef, but me I do it with pigtail and chicken foot today. And yeah, so that is the meal. I'm gonna have that with white rice. I don't know, stew peas always have some little spinach dumpling and stuff in it, so that's what I'm doing. Right now the peas are boiling.